Purchase your tracks today.
Hello fine babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominica, and if it's your first time, welcome. I am super duper excited to be on YouTube once more. It's been a minute. If you check my previous post, when last did I post? I don't even know. It's been more than a month, almost going to 2. So I was so excited coming back to YouTube, and I'm bringing you the vroom. You know what I'm saying? As you can see from the thumbnail of our video, we are going to be installing this week and having this gorgeous beat all in one. So if you're interested on how I achieve this look, on how I look this cute, on how I can look this beautiful and confident, keep on watching. We are a custom wig brand. We specialize in custom wigs just for you to boost that beauty and that confidence you have already. And this video is the start of our fall collection, because we'll be launching our fall collection coming November. So by the time you're seeing this video, it's already, I guess, November already. So happy new month. So we'll be launching our fall collection, which entails 5 weeks. I will try to put in some videos or pictures of the weeks that we'll be launching, but today we'll be showcasing the showstopper, and we incorporated like everything, thinking about everything in general when it comes to wigs, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, you know, for the girlies that know, the girlies that get it. So with that being said, let me show you how she looks and give you the specs of the wig. So here she is. She is 22 inch, and she comes with bleached knots, pre-plucked, baby hairs if you want to. It's a 6x6 closure, so you really have a lot of parting space. You can do with it however you want. You can style it however you want, but we're just going to be going for a straight body wave kind of look. And as the season goes by, we're gonna style her in different ways. But today we're going to be installing her, and yeah, so let's head straight into the video. I already have my wig cap on, okay? I have my edges tilted back. Sorry if I'm looking this way because my mirror is down. So I already have my edges tilted back. And let's try her on without anything. So, more specs about the wig. So here is she. We do our machines with a sewing. We construct our wigs with sewing machine. We have behind the scene videos on how we construct our wigs, and here is how big the closure is. It's a 6x6 closure, and it comes already bleached. We have an elastic band with it that can be very well adjusted, and our wigs comes, of course, it's a custom fit, so it's designed for your head specifically. But we also have an elastic band attached to it just to be more secure for the girlies that love to wear their wigs glueless. Very stretchy and very adjustable. This is the little thing, and you can adjust it to your head size. As you deem fit. So there you have it. Okay. Alright, let's try her on. You can see it's already giving what it's supposed to give without even me doing much to it. See, patching space is really big, and it goes from this side to this side. So this is how big the closure is. Very full, 250 density. And if you don't want baby hairs with it, that's fine. We do add some light layers just to make it look more flowy and stuff. So there you have it. Let's go ahead and start with the install really quick. So yeah, so here you have it. There you have it. Now I'm gonna take it out. I'm going to cut the lace, and for our concealer or foundation, whichever choice, if you've watched my install video, I'm very simple. Like, I use, if it works, if it's not broken, why fix it? So I will be using the, what is this called? Oh. The Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creating Fond de Teint or foundation, and I'm going to be using the shade 16 because somehow I've really gotten severely hyperpigmented around my face. As you can see, my hand and my face quite looks a little different. Okay, but that's not it. So I'll be matching it with 16. I normally will use 15, but due to how my color have changed, right? So we went up to 16. So we're going to be applying this, taking the darkest shade, okay, taking the darkest shade, apply it on my cap. And I'll go ahead now and apply it to my lace. Alright, I'll go ahead and cut this lace off and I'll be right back. I don't want to cut it on my hair, I don't want to make no mistakes. So if I'm able to, I'm going to put a little clip right here on how to cut your lace. And I've shown this several times as well on my channel on how to properly cut your lace. And I have an Instagram video. Check out our Instagram, Weekly D. And I still have a video on how to properly cut your lace. But if you want us to cut the lace for you before we send it, by all means, free of charge, and it's our pleasure. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay. So our lace is all cut. Let's go ahead and begin with the install real quick. As you can see, the wig is pretty glueless. I don't need to do anything to it. Maybe add some coils, you know. Add some coils to it. Put a little foundation right here. And that's it. See? And it's very glueless. Let me show you again. See that? Like, well, I'm going to go ahead and put this at the back. Hold up, before I do that, I need to do something first. Sorry, give me a minute. Fine. I just had to do a little video with that. So let's keep going. I'm going to do this like this. This like this, just to take the baby hairs away from my face for a minute, and then try my best to conceal a little bit on the side. There you go. There you have it. Very, very quick and easy. But we are going to add hairspray to it, just to, you know, add a little bit of zhuzh. And we're going to be using, because I'm traveling this morning and I want the wig to stay on. I'm not going to take it out or anything, so that's fine. If not, you can always wear as many wigs as you want and travel and, you know, take it on and off just with water. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it directly under. And I'm going to use my blow dryer on the cool setting. Alright, so that was quick, see? And I just did it just because I want to, because I showed you that the wig can be glueless, so that's no doubt. But I just did it just because I wanted to. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my baby hairs. Tie it down for a couple of minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so we have done our eyebrows off camera, and today I'm really actually trying some new products. I finally getting the Fenty Beauty ultra fine brow pencil and styler, and then the star of the show also is going to be this one size, sorry my light is a little, so it's a one size secure the sweat primer. I heard so many good things about it, so I said let me go ahead and try it. It is supposed to be a mattifying primer, so I'm putting it all over my T-zone area. Well, let's see how this is gonna wear. Alright, and also I have very oily skin, but I do moisturize my face. I use the La Rouge. I'm gonna put a picture of it, and I'm using the primer. Now we are going to be using the MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powder Foundation. And if you know, you know, everybody has been raving about this foundation, and we are going to be trying it today for the first time. In the shade NW55. And this is how it looks. So I'm gonna shake, shake, shake. Apply it at the back of my hand. That's how it looks like. Because my skin is lighter and my face is darker, I'm going with my face foundation. That's how it looks like. It's really light. And I'm going to be using a brush today to apply. You could do damage. You do damage. Yeah. What we got it on foot. Okay. So there we have it. Now I'm going to go ahead and conceal. And I'm going to be using the concealer I used. No, actually, I'm going to be using the Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer. I'm just going for literally an everyday bit. Nothing too crazy. And let it dry. I think the concealer gives you that glow. Now I'll be using a clean damp sponge always, and just pat. Right. I'm just going to go ahead and warm my face. I'm using the Rare Beauty on the Horizon bronzer stick. And then while we're at it, I'm going to brighten my under eyes a little bit more, and I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Full Filter Concealer. And I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty Love Blush in the shade Love Blush. This is really pigmented, so. But I'm a blush girl, and since it's like going to be a daytime look, I'm just going in for a very subtle bit. I'm going to wait for my concealer to dry down a little bit more before I go ahead and blend it. While we're at it, I can take this hair out. You can see how it looks like. There you go. So I'm going to go ahead and blend the side while my concealer is still trying to survive over there. What will I use for that? I can use this. And blend, blend, blend. Yeah. And that's it. And while my concealer is still drying, I'm multitasking, guys. I'm going to define my part, and I know I had it laid out somewhere here. And I'm going to be using the concealer shade in the shade 15. I don't want it too much.
you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time.
There you go. Okay. Now let's go ahead and try to blend our concealer.
You could do damage. You do damage. Yeah. Well, we bought it on foot.
And now I'm going to go ahead and set, and I'm going to be using the Airbrush Brightness Flawless Finish from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm using it in the shade Tan Deep. How it looks like. Another thing makes it a little lighter. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly set my under eyes.
The whole sound so just be careful what you take for granted.
And now I can go ahead and bake, and I'm going to be using the SO Patrick Star one size powder. And what shade is this? I don't even know what shade this is, but I'm gonna go ahead and bake.
No, you like
Atlanta, which is 2 hours away, and I'm not driving, I'm catching the bus to Atlanta. So yeah, so the bus leaves at 2 a.m. and I'm recording, so I don't know, the dedication is real. But of course, our old and always favorite contour powder. And it's like they always give you ample time because of traffic in Atlanta, so that's why I'm leaving at 2. So hopefully I get there by 5, and then my flight is at 7. By the time I get to where I'm going to, I'll be a bit tired because I literally haven't slept. I came back from work and I took a little nap. Literally, that's what I took. A 1 hour 30 minutes nap when I came back from work. So I'm literally running on no sleep. So yeah. So by the time I get to my friend's house, I will be what? Bit tired. So we'll see. But things you have to do to get 50 views. It's so funny. But by the way, thank you guys for my previous posts on how to coil your wigs, because that post is doing tremendously well and I am so glad about it. So I'm just using the contour to add some color to my eyelids, so you can see. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm going to use the NARS blush in the shade Exhibit. It's like an orangey blush. Alright, and since I'm always done, I'm always trying to hurry up. I'm going to be using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder to set the rest of my face and take out this excess powder. I don't know, over the years, I've stopped using, what is it called? I've stopped using, what is it called? Highlighter. Like, you know, the highlighter you use on your cheeks. I'm not really dusting, I'm pressing it into my skin. I stopped using the highlighter, which is weird. I like it. I think the one I had it from MAC, and I don't know where it is, I'm not gonna lie. Actually, no, it fell and broke. That's what happened. Now we're going to go ahead and use the Morphe Continuous Mist, this. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush spray as well. Gonna blow. And I'm going to finish up with the One Size Till Done spray. Everybody's raving about this. I'll do the rest of my face, just put some eyelashes and some lip gloss, and I'll be back. Alrighty, my loves, thank you so much for staying till the end of the video. If you stay till the end of this video, you have a special discount. If you want to shop this week, head over to our website at weeklisticd.com and type in YouTube Bae, and you'll definitely get some discount off of any purchase you make. And it's also going to come with some free goodies and some nice little things, and we're super excited on this fall collection. And if you want to see how we achieve this coily, you know, bouncy, flowy kind of coils, we do have a tutorial on our channel that shows you in detail on how to coil your wigs. But as well, you can head over to our Instagram, either weeklisticd or at double D, to check out how we really did coil this wig on our head. And yeah, but thank you and have a blessed day, a blessed week. Anytime you're getting to see this video, thank you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.